Understanding the phrase, time is a healer. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very popular English phrase, time is a healer. This phrase is rich in meaning and often used in conversations, literature, and even in songs. Let's dive in and understand what it truly means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Time is a healer is an idiomatic expression that suggests that as time passes, emotional pain, sorrow, or a negative situation tends to lessen or heal. It's based on the observation that human beings generally start feeling better about unpleasant or painful experiences as more time goes by. This phrase is often used in situations of grief, loss, or disappointment. For instance, after a tough breakup, a person might be advised that time is a healer, implying that their emotional pain will diminish as time passes. Example 1. Situation. After losing a beloved pet, someone is extremely sad. Usage. A friend might comfort them by saying, "I know it's hard now, but remember, time is a healer. You won't always feel this intense pain." Example 2. Situation. A person is dealing with the disappointment of a failed project. Usage. A colleague might encourage them by noting, "It's tough to accept this failure, but time is a healer. You'll gain new perspectives and come back stronger." While time is a healer is a comforting phrase, it's crucial to note that it doesn't imply that time alone will solve all problems. Active effort, reflection, and sometimes professional help are also important in the healing process. The phrase emphasizes the softening effect of time on emotional wounds rather than a complete solution. Time is a healer is a phrase that carries deep meaning and is widely used in the English language. It reminds us of the natural human capacity to recover from pain and sorrow as time progresses. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the depth of this phrase. Remember, while time can be a healer, it's also essential to seek active solutions and support when needed. Stay tuned for more insightful explorations into the English language. Happy learning!